Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. Today I'm gonna show you how to join the waitlist for the new Google AI bot on your mobile phone. So stay tuned and keep watching.
So you are seeing here that Bard AI is not available on my country, so I'm using the VPN here. As you can see, Rabbit, VPN, the super VPN, as you know. So let's wait until the VPN is connected. So you can see that it has connected. So what we're gonna do is to go to Chrome, to Google, and search for Bard Google AI, and we press on the first link here. What we are gonna do is to join the waitlist. We press on join the waitlist. So let's press on join the waitlist button. Let's agree for the terms. Press join the waitlist. You have been added to the waitlist. Thank you for your interest. So got it. Bart can help you. So you can see that the job has been done. So guys, thanks for watching and see you later. See you another time. I hope that you press the subscribe button and the like button. It would be highly appreciated. So sorry for the noises that go here and there. Sorry for that.